Number bond fluency. Be sure to call out the whole before I do. 5, 7, 5, 10, 10, 10, 10, 9, 9, 8, 7, 7, 6, 9, 10, 10, 8, 7, 7, 5. Well done. Keep up the good work.